In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply dark mode in Google Chrome for Windows 11. Start by opening Google Chrome on your PC. Make sure you are on any normal Chrome window, since the setting we need is available from the main menu. Now go to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You will see the three-dot menu icon. Click that three-dot menu to open Chrome's main options. This menu is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools, so it is the fastest way to get to what we need. With the menu open, select Settings, and then go to Appearance. In some versions of Chrome, you may click Settings first, and then find Appearance in the left sidebar. If you do not immediately see it, look for a section called Appearance within the Settings page. This is where Chrome lets you control how the browser looks, including the theme. Once you are in the Appearance section, look for the option related to the browser theme or mode and select Dark Mode. As soon as you choose Dark Mode, Chrome should update the interface right away. You will notice the top bar, tabs, and menus change to darker shades. At this point, dark mode is enabled in Google Chrome, and your browser should now display with a dark appearance, and that is all there is to it.